Hey folks, it's Speedistevie video time again. Here's a video from Boeing. The very first flight of the new F-15EX. The most significant difference between the F-15EX and legacy F-15s lies in its open mission systems, OMS, architecture. The OMS architecture will enable the rapid insertion of the latest aircraft technologies. The F-15EX also has fly-by-wire flight controls, a new electronic warfare system, advanced cockpit systems, and the latest mission systems and software capabilities available for legacy F-15s. That's it for another Speedistevie video. Subscribe now.